Urban ecology is a relatively new study in comparison to the field of ecology as a whole. Urban ecology has not been studied all that well, but it is something that deserves a lot of attention. We think about high population density and we think about a lot of buildings when we think about urban areas. But even within those urban areas, it leaves a lot to study in terms of ecology, in terms of how living organisms relate to one another and the environment that they are in. And that is essentially what urban ecology is. Urban ecology is how living organisms, how you have your plants and your animals, it's how they relate to each other and how they relate to the environment around them in the context of urban areas such as this area. You notice these ducks are just walking away from water. This might seem like just a drainage ditch, but for those ducks, for those waterfowl, it was definitely a place for them to gather. It's a way of how they related to the environment around them. And as you can see, you've got these little sandbars in this creek, in this little drainage ditch. Occasionally birds will gather here. For these birds, these sandbars provide a bit of a gathering space. Gathering near water, cleaning off, and just walking around. And flying off. This drainage ditch is another way that human beings relate to the environment around them. There's a bicycle path here. This is a place where human beings will come, they'll walk alongside this stream, bike alongside this stream. Some will just sit and relax on these rocks. But there's something more to see. Look at the stream restoration that has been taking place. You look at it. You can tell that there has been some restoration, sort of way to beautify it, create a little bit of nature right here in the city. You can see the trees being planted alongside.